Ready to transform your raw data into clear, insightful tables that tell a compelling story? First, let's connect your data. Click the Add Data button. You'll see a list of data connectors. Choose your desired source, such as Google Sheets, Google Analytics, or BigQuery, and authorize the connection. Now, go to the Insert menu at the top and select Table, then click and drag on the canvas to define the area where you want your table to appear. Over on the right, you'll see the Table Properties panel. Under Dimension, choose the categories you want to display in your table rows, such as date or product category. Then, under Metric, select the values you want to measure for each dimension. Like sales or page views, you can drag and drop fields to reorder them. Want to give your table some visual flair? Click on the Style tab here. You can change everything from font sizes and colors to column borders and header styles. Experiment with different options to make your table easy to read and visually appealing. To highlight key insights, use Conditional Formatting in the Style tab. Find the Conditional Formatting section. Add a rule, choosing a metric, a condition, and a color to apply. This will automatically highlight important data points based on your criteria. And that's it. You've created a compelling table in Looker Studio, ready to impress with clear data and insightful visualizations. Now go and unlock the power of your data.